Within Pennsylvania, we have created an environment that promotes getting ideas into action, that promote good business sense for delivering projects faster, cheaper, and meeting, if not beating, expectations of the public.
America's highway system faces many challenges: an aging infrastructure, growing traffic volumes, and limited funding. Widespread innovation to meet customer needs is essential. The Federal Highway Administration led the effort to establish State Transportation Innovation Councils, or STICs, in every state, creating a national innovation network.
It's a great way to get ideas from grassroots, from the bottom up, as well as to implement innovation from the top down. It is a great way to bring all transportation stakeholders together.
A STIC includes representatives from various stakeholder groups in the highway community. The group meets quarterly, decides which innovations to adopt, and sets implementation goals. The result is people driving innovation.
It starts out as an idea, we grow it together, we go over the pros and cons, it gets developed, and then we get to implement it and see it.
In 2015, Pennsylvania completed 16 accelerated bridge construction projects, 25 roundabouts, 176 adaptive signal controls, and more than 200 high-friction surface treatment sites. The state is also paving 100% of its projects using warm mix asphalt.
This is what we and our partners are building. With the tools that Congress has given us, with a renewed focus by stakeholders all across the country on being better, faster, and smarter about everything we do.
STICs can use innovations promoted by FHWA's Everyday Counts program or others of their choosing. PennDOT is piloting elastomeric spray-type waterproofing to reduce water infiltration and improve performance and durability. The state also uses crushed concrete aggregate as a subbase in pavements. Each STIC qualifies for technical assistance and up to $100,000 a year to standardize innovations. PennDOT is using STIC incentive money to create a salt and snow training academy. Communication is another key ingredient for a successful STIC. Pennsylvania STIC members know they must spread the word.
Public sector is actually innovative and they are listening. We can do something here.
The STIC provides an environment where new ideas are not only encouraged, it's a place where they can flourish.
The power of the STIC, bringing transportation stakeholders together to drive innovation.